Hey, thank you, Katie and Goody, for being here today. So you're with Atlassian, and we just did a group training for your data scientist team. So what did you initially come to us for, and how did it go for you both?
So we came to Magnetic Speaking because we actually had an internal referral from another team at Atlassian who had done the training and recommended it. And we were looking to learn some strategies for delivery and also how to calm nerves, things like that. And then also we were interested in learning more on kind of how to best tell a story so that we could tell really compelling stories with data.
Perfect. And how did it go during the training with everyone, Katie? How did everyone seem to enjoy it?
Everyone in our team seems to really enjoy it. I think besides these very useful techniques that we can apply in our daily job, it seems like it's a great team bonding event for all of us. And we had a great time and also learning these speaking techniques.
Perfect. And what were some takeaways that you saw everyone get from it and what you heard people liked about it?
Yeah, I definitely heard about breathing techniques that people really enjoyed and we're going to be taking forward, as well as strategically using pauses, other things to help manage nerves.
Very good. Well, thank you both so much. And thank you for you watching.